like I mentioned, not just with the kudurus or the ant people. That's why there's so many different genetic variations, not just for humans, but just with all kinds of species. So the Anunnakis are a very known one that helped with the creation of the humanoid species. They mention Orion, right? Which is also part of the Anunnaki. They have like a lot of insectoid beings, the Sirians, Lyrians, Pleiadians, Mantis beings, and so on. So there were multiple ones that had part of this hybridization program that took place. But they mostly just focused on the information towards them. They didn't go into other areas. And this genetic modification happened for the continuation of life in order for us to evolve, because like the Hopi tradition mentions, and again, you guys could research on this, is that there were plenty of global cataclysms that happened where Earth was destroyed by fire, water, by ice, and other catastrophes, right? And the ant people actually helped guide whatever life form was left over, these species, and they guided them in inner earth for survival, and then taught them how to do agriculture, how to survive on their own, how to dress, how to make their own food, and so on. And this is some of the information that they also shared, and we're going to go over in a second. So here they mentioned the Udu, so the tribe in Udu, and I had to look it up because I wasn't familiar to where Udu is, to be honest. They were only showing me the map, and it showed like it was in West Africa. So when I looked it up online, I found that the Udu, or the Udu kingdom, is in Nigeria, and they have a connection with the ant people, and their ancestors, right, were not just genetically modified and continued from there, but also they were taught these traditions. And the Udu is also a drum that Africans have, very unique shape, but it's a drum. Okay, and they also mentioned the Burundi tribe in East Africa, the Afar tribe, and what else? The Hopi tribes, which I already mentioned earlier. So very strong connection to the Hopi tribe as well. And if you guys didn't know, Anu, so in Hopi, Anu means ant, and Naki means friends. So it's friends of ants. So the Anunnaki is friends of ants, right? And speaks about how humans were brought underground for survival during global cataclysms, like I mentioned. So they mentioned that they taught African tribes how to use musical instruments and how to actually create musical instruments.